And now for the news in detail. The Meghalaya Election Department is trying to ensure peaceful polling for the Sohiong seat on May 10th, with 5 companies of Central Armed Police Force having been deployed in the constituency. Chief Electoral Officer Fr. Kharkongor said about 60 arms have been deposited and 5 cases have been registered under Section 107 of the CRPC. In addition, 24 persons have been booked under the preventive sections. There are 3 police nakas in operation and 8 non-available warrants have been executed so far. The sector officers and the zonal officers have been visiting the polling stations, Kharkongor said.
As of now, the preparations are ongoing. I've already had a detailed review meeting with the district election officer, the returning officer and the police machinery. And so far, in terms of electioneering, it is not very high intensity. Though we have already, 5 companies have been given by the MHA and by Election Commission. And I myself will be undertaking an inspection of the polling stations.
Meghalaya government